Hey friend, in this video I'm going to be reviewing watercolor brushes by Rosa Gallery. I use these brushes a lot in my works. I will tell you about brushes, their shapes and properties, as well as what you can paint with each type. So stay until the end and you will learn more and can choose brushes for your work with confidence. I have several different shapes of brushes from this brand: 3 round, Dagger, flat and liner. Well, let's start testing each one in turn. I have prepared paper samples for each type. Let's get started. My first brush is round 1. This brush has elastic and soft black synthetics, medium handle, universal for various types of strokes. There are different bristles, diameters. It also has a fine tip for fine and small details. The brush can make wide strokes and washes in different watercolor techniques as well as fine details. I'll show you a brush size 6. I loaded blue and then with just water on my brush I'm going to go up on the edge of this stroke and pull it down, and you'll see this blue blend into this water because it's wet. I add lavender touches using a tip of the belly of my brush. I use this brush a lot for my main work. A flexible brush gives you control over the brush stroke with different pressure on the belly of the brush. See how it works. You can make wide lines, medium and thin with light pressure. The bristle shape is back after each stroke. This is a wide stroke with strong pressure on it. Then I apply less pressure and even less with the tip of the brush. You can make different kinds of lines and curves. Take a look. For example, paint a leaf. This is what this round synthetic brush is. Simple and convenient. I have 3 round brushes with sizes 6, 4 and 2. Now let's look at a flat brush. It is also synthetic with elastic and soft hair, black. This is my size 6 with a medium blade handle. Let's see what it can do. I loaded red pigment into my brush with a little water. See what even strokes you can do with different pressure on the brush. Keeps the bristle shape well. Works well for even geometric strokes. Using the tip of the brush you can make beautiful fine lines and curves. It is also suitable for free expressive strokes using different angles and pressure on the brush. A wet brush is also good for making washes and working with different techniques, for example, wet and wet. I apply different pressure to the brush and get different strokes. You can also easily paint with it, for example, tiles, bricks, etc. It all depends on what you want to paint. A flat brush can give you interesting solutions. Give it a try. Please write in the comment section below which is your favorite brush. Remember to rinse the brush in water after each use. Don't leave your brush in a jar of water. It will ruin and lose its shape. My next brush is Dagger. I also have a size 6. The brush has angled bristles. It has soft and flexible synthetic hair. The handle is also medium weight. I'm going to test it now. Okay, let's see. I load lavender into a brush and some water. Here is a stroke I got when I press it on the belly in this way. I get these lines if I change the side of the brush and just press on it. Easy to control the width and shape of lines. You can make strokes of complex shapes. You can also make petals, leaves and waves. Apply fun lines with the tip of this brush. Again, use different sides of the brush and pressure. I love to use this brush to show the peaks on the mountains. And my last brush of this brand is Infinity Sable Hair Liner with an average handle length. I have a brush size 3. Now I try it too. It is good for fine straight lines. For example, when painting grass, branches and ropes of yachts. By using different brush pressure, you can easily get different line widths. Wide, thin or medium. Easy to paint curved, thin lines as well. You can do different strokes. I often use it to paint birds in my works. See how you can easily paint branches using it, because natural hair holds water and pigment well. You can make a light and long line with free movement. Good for outlines, shading and even lettering. It's up to you to choose which shape you need and best suits your watercolor painting techniques. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this review helpful. If you like this video, push the like button below and subscribe to my channel. If you love this channel and you like to be a supporter and you'd like to enjoy some exclusive content, then head over to my Patreon where I have 3 different tiers for you with different goodies and fun things. Thanks again for watching my videos and I'll see you in my next video.